The top 3 ways to make money on Instagram. Okay, here's how you do it. The top 3 ways to make money on Instagram. As you guys know, Instagram's this platform that's blowing up. There's more engagement that happens on Instagram every single day than even on Facebook, and people are coming aware to the idea that, man, all the eyeballs are on Instagram. So if you can understand these 3 ways to make money on Instagram, you can create an additional source of income really, really quickly, or help sell more of your products and services if you are an entrepreneur already. Now, the reason you should listen to me on this is because even though I don't have that big of a following, I have like 45,000 followers or whatever, and you can check out my Instagram account right here, ping, and you can give me a follow if you want to. But the reason you should listen to me on this is because we've been able to post single pictures on our Instagram that have made us as much as like $28,000 in a single post. And I know like there's a lot of these people that have these huge massive followings, but they have no idea how to make any money from it. And a lot of these people are just broke. They have these huge accounts, but they don't know what to do with it. So that's not gonna be you anymore. We're gonna talk about the top 3 ways to make money on Instagram, okay? 2 of the ways require you to actually build a following, and the last way, actually it doesn't matter if you have a following or not, so it's a really quick way to get up and going, okay? Now, most of the time when you're gonna make money on Instagram, you're building a brand, right? People engaged around you, people that are following around you, and so you can just sell, whether it's your own products or other people's products, and make money that way, right? So first way to make money is by selling affiliate products, right? Essentially, you see it all the time. There's these girls that have hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, or maybe they have 10,000 followers, and they're promoting like this fit tea, or they're promoting like protein powder, or whatever it is. And essentially all they're doing, right, is they're driving traffic. Somebody's already created the product. And a lot of times in affiliate marketing, the way that works is the vendor of the product, the creator, takes 50%, and the person that drives the traffic to it creates 50%. So you do have to grow a following, have an audience. And the best tool that I use to recommend that you use to grow your following is this tool that we created called BuzzFollow. You can get a free trial for 14 days at buzzfollow.com, okay? So that's number 1, is doing affiliate marketing. And it doesn't have to just be you're in the fitness niche. You could be in any niche, you're in the dating niche, or whatever market you're in, and you're essentially growing a following and driving people to products that are in that niche, right? The second way to make money on Instagram is actually creating your own product. And some of you guys may have your own products, maybe you don't, but probably the best way to get into creating your own product is actually creating information products. Take whatever you're really good at, or whatever you can help people at, and take that system and wrap it into an information product. It could be a book, it could be an online course, it could be some sort of coaching program, and sell it, okay? Again, you have all this traffic on Instagram, you're sending them to your product. And we use a lot of the times, we get people to comment yes in the comments if they want it. So we get this whole big ton of people commenting yes. So it drives the algorithm, more people see the post and whatnot, okay? That's the second way, selling your own product. The third way, this is a cool way because it doesn't actually require you to have an Instagram following, and pretty much anybody can do this. But business owners and entrepreneurs, they're open to the idea and they understand that they need to be on Instagram, okay? People are waking up to this idea of Instagram, okay? And so what you can do is simply provide a service, a done-for-you service, to help people grow their Instagram, and you can charge them anywhere from $100 to $200 to $300, $400 a month, depending on the account, to simply help them grow their Instagram account, okay? Because most of these business owners, they're busy, they don't want to do that, and they don't know how to. But what you could do is you could use a simple tool that I recommend. There's other tools out there, but none of them are as good as this one. A lot of them are just like fake bots and fake followers in Pakistan and stuff like that. But if you want to get your clients actual real results and real followers, I recommend using BuzzFollow. Again, a tool that we created for this specific reason. You can get a 14-day free trial at buzzfollow.com, okay? Essentially, that whole business model is help other people grow their followings by plugging their account into software. It'll start growing their following for them. You upcharge a little bit for brokering and for knowing how to do this, and that's a fast way to make money. So those are the top 3 ways to make money on Instagram.